time to get back to testing some canisters. So generously donated, brand new from Mr. Alan O. We have this longest name canister that I can think of at the moment, Bosch Premium Electro Duo XXL HC, and then there's probably a model number that I've forgotten on the other side. So let's do some baking soda in the carpet test using this Bosch EBK 340 power nozzle. So we have the same bag that I used the sand in the carpet test for, and we know there's 3.5 grams of sand in it. Now that's not really going to affect this test at all. I mean, I actually poked my nose in the bag and you can barely even see any sand in there. So we're going to use this for the baking soda test. So I've already pre-measured out 10 grams of baking soda. You've seen me do that on several occasions. So let's see what the bag weighs. And then we'll just do a before and after. And it's the generic bag right here. Mega Filt. I thought it was actually Mega Fit. Mega Filt, like Mega Filtration Supertex Type P. Oh good, you can see that. So I don't have to move anything. So the before is 58.28 grams. And we're going to put 10 grams in the carpet. So let me reset up and let's get started. Away we go. It's a pretty open brush roll. No safety strips. And away it goes. A real deep clean test where all the material goes deep down into the carpet where you can't see it. And we will use this on full power, obviously. There we go. That's the fun part. Try to get this hose off. That's a new tight connection to be sure. Maybe it loosens up over time. The measuring board, and I'll probably get you a little bit closer so you can see better. My cheat sheet where I have my notes. Okay, we started out at 58.28. And let's see where we are now. I think I'm going to get you a lot closer than that. That's better. Okay, so a little more in frame. If we take 65.3 2 1 2, I'll say 65.32, gotta stop somewhere, minus 58.28, and we have 7.04, and that actually means 70.4%. See, if I divide that by 10, we get 70.4, and if I just make it a little easier to read, then you have 70.4%. So I think that's pretty nice. 70.4% from an EBK 340. So that really is a pretty good pickup. That is a very reasonable pickup, just like the sand. It's not insane and it's not low. So I bet if I were to look in that bag, I wouldn't see a lot of carpet fluff. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos with this lovely red Bosch.